Hey guys, I'm back. I have a package and it's from Nail Supply Glamour, and this is the first time I've ordered from them. Nail Supply Glamour is in Texas. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package for you guys. Okay, we have a lot of shredded paper in here. I didn't buy too much from this company. I'm gonna leave the link of their website below. Their polishes are very reasonable. They have a nice website, easy to read, and yeah. So I ordered a little bit, not much, stuff that I was actually interested in, and it was the gel polish and regular polish combo set. And let me go ahead and dig in here. Look, all this paper gonna be everywhere, but hey, they gotta do what they gotta do, right? Okay. Okay, got this right here. Let's move this to the side. Get all this out the box. Okay. Whew. I don't have one of these. I thought these were so pretty, so it's like a scoop. It has like a little scoop spoon at the end, and it was $1.99. I like the little crystal ball part at the end, and it's just a little spoon scoop that you can use for your glitter mixes. You can scoop out a little bit, put in your polish, mix up. Yeah, I just bought this. It's very pretty. Okay, the other thing I bought was these brushes. I just thought they were just so pretty. And I bought two. They only had two sizes, which is a 3D brush, which is this one right here. Get that. Look at that beauty. And a number 8. Okay, this one, the number 8 was $14.99, and this one was $13.99. But look how pretty that is. I got to take this out the package, right? Let's see. Look at that. What a beautiful. Look at that. I wish it came in like a cap, but it doesn't. I know you can buy the caps to put on these, but you gotta find the sizes for it to fit. But look at that. Look at that. That is just so pretty. That's how the brush look like. Now I do use number 8s for my fills. It did come with the little thing to put your brush in until you're ready to use it. So I'm gonna leave that on there because I'm not ready to use it. It's just so pretty. Okay. And the 3D detail, very pretty. It's a number 2. It is smaller in length. Yeah, you know what? They quite not that heavy from this right here, but you can feel your weight here. But it is just pretty. My God, that's just darling. This one is kind of crooked though. This one is kind of crooked as I look at it, but I don't know. Yeah, this one is kind of crooked. It's not placed in there too good. It's not placed in there good. It's kind of crooked in there. It's off a little bit. You can see the gap right here. It's kind of off going that way. It's supposed to be full like that on this side. Supposed to be full all the way around like this one. You see how it fits in there real nice. Have to be something, huh? Got to be something went wrong. Got to be something. I don't know if I can fix that. And the rhinestone is the rhinestone right here is kind of chipped. Oh my God. That ain't cool at all. That ain't cool. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it's like it's chipped, and I am upset about it. And it's kind of cracked right here. And chipped right there. It's always something, man. I don't know if I want to send this back and get another one. Oh, I just turned it. Now, I just turned it. Now it's loose. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I want to send it back for the trouble. I try to straighten it out myself, but it is damaged. Man. Because I paid $14 for that. And I shouldn't have to worry about no cracks and stuff. Oh, so I don't know, guys. I'm very... let me set that to the side and keep going. Now, these are the gel polish combos I was telling y'all about. Okay, I bought 6. Let's see. 6 is on here. Let's see. Yep. And these are the Joya Mia. I hope I'm saying it right. Joya Mia. And this is a green. Pretty much got some basic colors here, so that's okay. The green. Because I don't have a combo set of gel and the basic colors like this, like the yellows, the orange, the reds. Well, I have some reds, but I don't have, like, you know, browns and blues and greens and yellows. Ah, I thought I bought a yellow. Oh, I think I did. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so this is the green, and this is how it looks. It's JM80. And you got the gel polish, which is going to be the darker polish, and the regular polish on this side. Lasts up to 21 days. It's called the Duo Pack. And it is a soak-off gel. And a regular polish. Very pretty. Okay, you look at this yellow right here. Okay, this is GMI 109. You got something right there. I don't know what that is, but I got that. got like the bright orange, JM111. I got a brown, which I do not have. You know, I do not have like a dark brown in my polish collection. Nope, nope, nope. So I got the combo in the brown, JM42. Now these polishes were $8.99 regular. I think they like $14.99 if I'm not mistaken. You find them somewhere else. But this is a nail supply, wholesale nail supply place, so you're going to get it a little cheaper. This is Joya Mia JM120. You do not need a license to shop on their website either. Pretty blue. Last one is a loud green, JM117. Oh, I was playing around with these brushes and I was saying, I wonder if I have a cap to fit these. So I had one of these. So I started pulling this out. I started pulling on it to take this part off, and I realized that it actually comes off, guys. So you can actually put it in there like that. Yeah, I don't know you're supposed to, but I think you can. Look at that. Pretty. Very pretty. Very nice. I had one of these. I didn't know if it would have fit. It's kind of big. I have some smaller ones. These I actually came off of Alpha brush gel brushes. Alpha brush gel brushes, which looks like this. And they're too big. Alright guys, that's this little haul right here. Little small haul. I'm going to do a demo on these. That's going to be, I'm going to upload this demo next after you finish watching this video. Bye. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a smiley day.